Kajal, come in.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay. So, your optional was
Yes.
sociology. But in your college, for BSc, you had chemistry, botany, zoology. Why the shift?
So sociology was more convincing for me as it was scoring as well as I was easily able to grasp that subject for civil services.
But what about botany and zoology?
So I tried for botany for 1 month, but I was not able to finish that syllabus in proper
This
time.
was your, which attempt was this?
So this is first attempt.
First attempt.
Yes.
Okay, so you first tried chemistry, botany, zoology. None of them appealed to you for the civil
No, sir.
services?
Sir, I have tried botany, but it was means I was not able to cover it in time. That time frame.
The syllabus was huge, was it?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now in Maharashtra, tell me, what is the best soil, appropriate soil for cultivation of sugarcane and cotton?
So it is black soil because Maharashtra is situated in Deccan Plateau. So we find mostly black soil in it and mostly cultivable because of its texture and water absorbing capacity. We find it more suitable for growing cotton as well as sugarcane.
Because it has ground discharge, huge quantity of ground discharge of water.
Yes.
Okay. You put IFS at number 5.
Yes.
Why? Why the distaste for IFS?
So I prefer to work in India more than outside India.
But even as an IFS officer, 70% of your time will be spent in India only.
Yes, sir. If I get opportunity, I will definitely serve as IFS also. But I prefer it on a lower side as compared to working in India.
Can you mention 2 game changers in world history?
Sir, it was, according to me, World War One, and
What changed in World War One? Which year was it?
so 1914. It started in 1914 and it ended in 1918.
So what changed the scenario, the world scenario?
So there was contestation of power between. There was evolution of major powers in the world, and polarization started happening after that.
What were the 2 blocks named?
So I'm not able to recall that.
Okay. And the other event that changed the world history course?
So I think it is after decline of USSR, means superpower emerged. US emerged as a superpower.
It was always a superpower.
Yes, it was, but that USSR was in competition with USA earlier, but USA emerged as a monopoly after a decline of USSR. So world became unipolar after that.
The non-aligned movement.
Yes, sir.
Was it a success?
Yes,
then
sir,
and is it a success now?
Presently, we are finding multi-alignment is the option because countries are aligning according to their national interest. Earlier, non-alignment movement was in significance because there was 2 blocks, and the block which don't want to join these 2 blocks was ready to be non-aligned and ready to serve its own self-interest from them.
What is the onion dilemma in Maharashtra?
हाय, क्या आप भी आईएएस की तैयारी करना चाहते हैं? क्या आप पीसीएस की तैयारी करना चाहते हैं? बहुत दिनों से आप स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं, लेकिन इसके बावजूद भी आपको सफलता नहीं मिली। भागदौड़ करने के बावजूद भी आपको कोई सॉल्यूशन नहीं मिल रहा। सिर्फ आपका टेंशन बढ़ रहा है, आपका पेशेंस जवाब दे रहा है। इसी टेंशन को दूर करने और आपकी हर एक समस्या का समाधान लेकर आए हम, यानी ओजांग गुरुकुल कैंपस। यहाँ हम आपको सिखाएंगे आईएएस और पीसीएस जैसे एग्जाम की तैयारी कैसे आसान तरीके से की जाती है, कैसे डिसिप्लिन फॉलो किया जाता है, कैसे अनुशासन रखा जाता है। अगर आप भी चाहते हैं हम आईएएस और पीसीएस बने और अपनी जिंदगी के सारे सपने पूरे करें, तो अभी ज्वाइन करें ओजांग गुरुकुल कैंपस। बिकॉज when we support the word selfless, the whole universe will support you endlessly.
So I'm not able to recall that.
Okay. Why was Maharashtra in the news recently, yesterday?
So speaker gave verdict regarding not disqualifying the members.
That was day before. Yesterday something happened.
Sorry, sir, I have not read that.
Okay. The Atal Highway, no, it got inaugurated yesterday.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Acha, then In sociology, let's take you little while to sociology. What was the principal point of opposition between Karl Marx and Hegel?
Hegel talked about idealistics, and Karl Marx was about historical materialism based on some material things. There was a change, and according to Hegel, as ideas change, the history also changes. But according to Marx, there was materials that change with time, and thereby evolution happens.
What was there was something that was different in the philosophy of Hegel and Marx in terms of evolution, that you go from one stage to another. What did Karl Marx call it?
It's a mode of production, according to Marx.
Was it dialectic materialism?
So, according to Hegel, it was ideas that create synthesis, then antithesis. Sorry, sir. I will say it
Take your
again.
time. Take your time. Yeah. So we start from thesis. Okay.
According to Hegel, it starts from thesis. Thesis, which means ideas, which is opposed by someone else, which is antithesis, and they both combine to form synthesis. It is based on ideas, but according to Marx, it was based on materialistic conditions. As materialistic conditions change, we find change in evolutionary times. Like earlier there was capitalistic, and according to him, socialist pattern will come as
Which was the
material
earliest
change.
form? According to Karl Marx.
According to Karl Marx, it was ancient communism. Earlier,
Was it
primitive
not
communism.
feudalism?
So feudalism was before capitalistic
Yeah.
mode.
And what was it that compelled one evolution from one stage to another? What was the underlying thing? What happened that it evolved? It threw up another society.
So when there was antagonistic cooperation between two classes, then it led to evolution
Conflict.
of yes, a conflict.
Okay, very good. So, what was the final stage where everything would come to a still, according to Karl Marx? The
So
highest
after-
form of evolution.
Yes, sir. So after socialistic mode of production, there would be advanced communism where everybody would be equal, and dialectic materialism would be in its ending form.
Did it ever happen?
No, sir. It had not yet happened because we are still in the capitalistic society.
But people called it, gave it a name, this communism. They said that it is this, so it will never happen. All his critics, they called it something. They called it utopia.
Yes, sir,
Okay?
utopia.
Yeah. So, my last question to you.
Yes.
What is it that the drivers are under? They've raised banners of revolt everywhere. What is it they're protesting?
So, in the new Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita bill, they are protesting against means the punishment granted to them is higher, and it is almost fine and penalties. If they leave the place of accident without informing the police, they will get imprisoned. But there is conflict that no one know the evidence regarding it. That driver should be there if mob lynching happens. What will be the action? That is unknown. That is the concern which is not addressed in the bill. And if
is it a bill or an act now?
So it is act now.
Yeah. Okay. So no, but there it is even today. If you flee the spot, you are likely to get imprisoned. You are likely to get caught. So what is it that is going to change?
So there is no provision regarding their safeguards in that bill. So they are demanding that we should also get safeguarded. If we are securing the life of someone, then drivers should also be taken in safeguarded position.
This will be my last question, since you have also been in the parliament, youth parliament. In the parliament today, the two houses, what is an assurance? When is it given and by whom? Parliamentary assurance. Who gives it and to whom?
So parliamentary assurance is given, I think, by speaker. I'm not sure regarding it. And it is given to member of parliaments who are present there.
Anything else that you know about an assurance? Parliamentary assurance?
Sir, I'm not able to understand that.
Okay.
Kajal,
Yes, sir.
it's your first attempt.
Yes, sir.
Feeling bit nervous or confident?
It's a bit of mix.
कैसा रहा जर्नी, कैसी रही फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में आप यहाँ तक पहुँचे हो?
सर जर्नी तो बढ़िया थी, बहुत लोगों ने सपोर्ट किया यहाँ तक आने के लिए, यानी जो भी मिले वो बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्टिव थे अब तक, सबसे कुछ सीखने मिला है अब तक।
खुद में कॉन्फिडेंस कैसा लग रहा है फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में आप इंटरव्यू दे रहे हो?
कॉन्फिडेंट तो फील हो रहा है क्योंकि पढ़ा है, जितना एफर्ट दे सकते थे उतना दिया है। ऑल इज देन गॉड्स विश कि आई वुड बी सिलेक्टेड और नॉट, बट आई एम प्रीटी कॉन्फिडेंट कि माय एफर्ट्स मैटर हियर।
नाम तो बहुत अच्छा है आपका।
यस सर।
अच्छा, 3 फिल्म सॉन्ग्स दैट इंडिकेट योर नेम।
प्रेजेंटली काजल की सिहाई से लेके, दैट इज वन सॉन्ग। आई डोंट लिसन टू मच सॉन्ग्स, आई एम नॉट एबल टू रिकॉल एट प्रेजेंट मोमेंट।
Try. Near about your name.
One is the dialogue of
Song.
think-
Asking about the song.
yes sir. Not able to recall, sorry sir.
Okay. So your hobby is to watch Korean dramas,
Yes.
K-dramas. Recently कोई देखा अभी?
Sir, recently the business proposal देखा था।
K-dramas में आपका ये टॉपिक भी बायोलॉजी और आपने जूलॉजी पढ़ा है। अच्छा, K-drama में एक खास बात रहती है, they don't have beard, they look
Yes,
very
sir.
young. Is it genetic or some kind of artificial thing?
So I think it is genetic.
You think or you know?
So I don't know regarding it. I have not read on it.
But you have seen in a lot of K-dramas that they are very
Yes, sir. Yes.
similar type of facial things. And recent there is a news that there is a lot of rhinoplasty or plastic surgery is increasing in South Korea. What do you think about this?
Yes, sir. I think rhinoplasty is increasing, but it is only for aesthetic purposes. As far as I think, most of the population, which we think of a Mongolian type, generally don't have beards or generally have less beards or less hair.
आप
hair growth.
सोशियोलॉजी के स्टूडेंट हो,
Yes, sir.
इज इट गुड कि आप मतलब रिपोर्ट्स कहती हैं कि दे वांट शो देमसेल्फ वाइट, वो ज्यादा गोरे दिखना चाहते हैं, और ये आपके हिसाब से सही है?
सर आई डोंट थिंक सो ये सही है, क्योंकि जैसे नेचुरल है वैसे दिखना चाहिए। आप सोसाइटी को वैसे प्रेजेंट करिए जैसे वो है, ना कि गोरे या फिर काले।
इसका हमारे यूथ पे क्या फर्क पड़ेगा? यहाँ पे भी बहुत बीटीएस के फॉलोअर्स हैं,
यस सर।
आप भी होंगे।
बीटीएस की तो नहीं हो सर, के ड्रामास की स्पेसिफिकली।
सो यहाँ पे यूथ पे उसका क्या फर्क पड़ेगा?
तो यूथ भी वैसी ही थिंकिंग करेगा कि मुझे भी ऐसे ही दिखना है, ऐसे ही एक्शन करने हैं। यानी हम उनके कल्चर से सीख रहे हैं कुछ चीज़ें, कुछ ख़राब चीज़ें भी सीख रहे हैं, कुछ अच्छी चीज़ें भी सीख रहे हैं, लेकिन वो हम पे डिपेंड करता है कि हम किस एक्शन में आगे खुद को प्रेजेंट कर सके।
चलो, आप अभी नए नए ऑफिसर बन के गए हो,
यस
और आपको यूथ को समझाना है, वो पागल है, वो फैशन के पीछे वो बिल्कुल अपने आप को लगा रहे हैं, वो भी उसी तरह बनना चाहते हैं। दे वांट टू बिहेव, दे वांट टू फॉलो द हिप्पी कल्चर। कैसे समझाओगे उन्हें?
सर, फर्स्ट थिंग आई विल डू इज रोल मॉडल्स तैयार करेंगे, जो रियल लाइफ स्टोरीज है, बायोपिक्स है, उन्हें उनके सामने प्रेजेंट करेंगे। देन जो यूथ है, जैसे कॉलेजेस, किड्स के थ्रू हम उन्हें दिखाएंगे कि आपको अपना माइंडसेट ऐसा तैयार करना है कि सभी को इक्वली ट्रीट करना है, ना कि जो गोरे है या फिर काले। रेस के थ्रू नहीं जज करना है किसी को। हम टीचर्स को ऐसे सजेस्ट कर सकते हैं कि आप बचपन से या फिर लोअर लेवल से उन पे ये माइंडसेट डालें कि आप सभी को इक्वल नज़र से देखें।
और उन्होंने कहा कि ये तो हमारी फ्रीडम ऑफ लिविंग है, आप हमें क्यों, हमारे इसमें काम में जो हम कैसे रहें, किसको फॉलो करें, तो फिर वो आप क्या करोगे उस केस में?
सर, ये हमें एक्सप्लिसिटली नहीं करना है, हमें पेरेंट्स के थ्रू या फिर टीचर्स के थ्रू करना है, ताकि वो उन पे डायरेक्ट इम्पैक्ट ना डाले, इनडायरेक्टली हम उस रास्ते को अचीव करें।
राइट। और अगर आप ऐसे तरह से काम करने गए, और एक सिचुएशन में आपको दे रहा हूँ,
यस
वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट में आपका काम करने का मन है,
यस,
आप काम करने लगे अपने फील्ड में, और मेल कम्युनिटी आती है और वो कहती है कि आप बायस्ड ऑफिसर हो, तो फिर आप इस सिचुएशन को कैसे हैंडल करोगे कि आप फीमेल के लिए काम कर रहे हो, आप उनको एडवांटेज दे रहे हो, लेकिन आपको जेंडर न्यूट्रल रहना चाहिए, और मेल को जो है उतनी एडवांटेज नहीं मिल पा रही है। अब इस सिचुएशन को आप टैकल कैसे करोगे इन पर्सपेक्टिव ऑफ सोशियोलॉजी?
सर
मेरे क्वेश्चन पे ध्यान देना।
यस सर। से मैं अपने इंटरपर्सनल स्किल्स बढ़ाऊंगी उनके साथ। मैं उन्हें समझाने की कोशिश करूंगी कि फीमेल्स का पर्सपेक्टिव क्या होता है, कंपैशनेट अप्रोच होती है। ठीक है, हम मेल्स को उसी तरीके से ट्रीट
वो
कर
आपके
रहे
ऊपर
हैं।
आरोप लगा रहे हैं, वो गुस्से में है कि आप जो भी स्टेप्स ले रहे हो वो आप फीमेल को आप एडवांटेज दे रहे हो, लेकिन आप बायस्ड हो मेल के साथ। दे आर इन एंग्री मूड।
सर मैं उनको ग्राउंड सिचुएशन दिखाऊंगी कि आप मेरे साथ चल सकते हैं, आप फीमेल्स और मेल्स की सिचुएशन को कंपेयर कर सकते हैं। आप स्ट्रक्चरल फंक्शनलिस्ट पर्सपेक्टिव से देखिए तो आप फंक्शनली
उनके
देखिए
पास
कि
टाइम नहीं है, वो बहुत गुस्से में है।
यस सर।
सिचुएशन को कैसे डील करोगे?
सर मैं उनका गुस्सा शांत करने की पहले तो कोशिश करूंगी कि उनका
कैसे?
रीजन क्या है, पहले जानूंगी कि उनका रीजन क्या है। वो रीजन को मैं सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करूंगी कि मैं किस तरीके से उनकी हेल्प कर सकती हूँ कि
सपोज
आपका
एक आदमी
situation-
आपके ऊपर आरोप लगा रहा है कि रीजन सिंपल सा है कि आप महिलाओं को ज्यादा एडवांटेज दे रहे हो और उनकी छोटी छोटी शिकायतों पे भी हमें जो है वो हमारे ऊपर एक्शन ले रहे हो, आप बायस्ड हो। अब आप इस सिचुएशन में क्या करने जा रहे हो?
मैं मुझे
सोशियोलॉजी की नॉलेज का यूज करके आप मुझे आंसर दो।
सर सोसाइटी से डील करने के लिए सोशियोलॉजी तो हेल्पफुल रहेगी ही, बट वो है ना कि सोशल चेंज लाने के लिए हमें कुछ ना कुछ एक्शन तो लेनी ही पड़ेगी। वो अगर किसी और इंसान को वो ऑफेंडिंग फील हो फिर भी चलेगा, बट वो राइट डायरेक्शन में होनी चाहिए।
आप उन्हें समझाओगे कैसे? आप उनको फिलॉसफी नहीं समझ में आएगी।
यस सर।
कैसे समझाओगे?
सर मैं उनको बस ग्राउंड लेवल पे जाके दिखा सकती हूँ कि
क्या?
ये सिचुएशन है विमेंस की और ये मेल्स की सिचुएशन है, और इस कंडीशन में मैं ऐसे एक्ट करूंगी। और आपको कोई दिक्कत है इससे तो आप मुझे फॉर्मली बता सकते हैं, या फिर मैं आपकी कोई दिक्कत होगी तो मैं सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करूंगी। अगर कोई मेल कंप्लेन कर रहे हैं तो मैं उनकी भी सिचुएशन को उसी तरीके से हैंडल करूंगी जैसे मैं फीमेल की कंडीशन को हैंडल कर रही हूँ, ना कि बायस्ड होके।
अच्छा, बायोलॉजी आपका सब्जेक्ट रहा है।
यस
अच्छा एक बताओ, ओशियन में मेढक क्यों नहीं पाए जाते?
सर, नॉट अवेयर रिगार्डिंग इट।
बेसिक क्वेश्चन, ट्राई करो। नदी नाले हर जगह पाए जाते हैं, ओशियन में क्यों नहीं पाए जाते?
सर सॉल्टी वाटर होता है या फिर ब्रैकिश वाटर होता है ओशन में एज कम्पेयर टू इधर फ्रेश वाटर होता है।
बट एम्फीबियंस तो वहीं से आए, लाइफ तो ओशियन में ही थी,
यस सर।
फिर क्यों नहीं पाए जाते?
सर नॉट अवेयर रिगार्डिंग।
अच्छा चलो एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, नाग पंचमी का एंटोनिम्स क्या होगा?
नागिन पंचमी होनी चाहिए।
गुड,
सॉरी सर।
कीप ट्राइंग, कीप ट्राइंग। अच्छा यहाँ तक कैसे आए?
यहाँ तक यानी किसके टेक्स्ट में?
किसी कार से, ऑटो से?
सर मेट्रो से आए हैं।
मेट्रो से आए।
Yes.
उसके बाद मेट्रो तो यहाँ तक आती नहीं है।
मेट्रो के बाद ऑटो से।
ऑटो का नंबर क्या था?
सॉरी सर, नॉट ऑब्जर्व्ड दैट।
अप टू यू।
Do you believe in God?
Yes sir, to some extent. I believe in positive energy.
What is that?
Some people call it a god, but I call it a positive energy.
You are from Goregaon.
Yes sir.
Goregaon का नाम Goregaon कैसे पड़ा? Is there any history related to
So there is no history regarding it. Goregaon is just a place in Gondia district of Maharashtra.
Is it random? that it's called
Yes
Goregaon?
sir.
What is the line called which is dividing North Korea and South Korea? Which parallel?
So I think it is 8-degree channel.
North Korea and South Korea. 8 degrees.
Sorry sir, not aware regarding it.
You participated in youth parliament.
Yes sir.
Are you aware that it's the National Youth Day?
Yes sir.
When was it?
So it was on 12th January recently.
And there was a National Youth Festival.
So I am not aware regarding it.
PM inaugurated that festival yesterday in Nasik.
So I have not read it recently. Yes.
Tell me that you said that we are living in a capitalistic society because communism failed. So can you identify two, three socialistic, communistic features in our societies today, or like what government is doing in terms of that, or private sector? Can you identify two, three socialistic features?
Yes, sir. As we can see, one of the provision for private sector is CSR. Through CSR activities, we are working on various social levels, like in education, environmental perspective, social upliftment. And the second thing is the government is launching schemes which are socialistic in nature, like PM Ujjwala Yojana, PM Saubhagya, and Ayushman Bharat Yojana. So at the ground level, we are working. And third is like Panchayati Raj system. In Panchayati Raj system, we are working at the ground level, providing women a reservation at the third tier and increasing their representation in the governance.
What is the second law of thermodynamics?
Sorry, sir, I'm
What is the buffer solution?
not aware regarding it. Sorry, sir.
You worked in a village for cleanliness, right?
Yes, sir.
What was the name of that village?
Sir, it was Hidamali. Hidamali.
Okay, in which district?
It is in Gondia district only.
You know that. So you have to devise a policy. You have to articulate a letter, or you have to draft a policy to appeal to people to
Yes,
follow
sir.
the cleanliness rules and to practice cleanliness. So what will be your top 4 priorities? How will you bring an attitude change in people?
So, firstly, I will work with students because I think they are the mode of social change. Through schools, we can bring social change more rapidly than any other medium. Yes, sir. Second, I will work with females in that society. I will talk with them through self-help groups, NGOs. Means I will try to involve all the stakeholders which I can connect, through which I can connect with other more people in society. Third would be, I think, for initiating something, I will require the support of Panchayati Raj institution, Panchayat in that area. Because according to some, we think Indian culture, the major social heads can majorly influence the society. And fourthly, we can involve higher authorities like officers, which can act as a role model to promote people that they can work in those areas.
I will tell you why India is not able to counter China in terms of all the dimensions of economic, social, everything.
So, when we compare the economy of India and China, almost 3 times China is larger than India. But when we see around India has the most soft power influence over all its neighbors. China may be bigger, but Indian influence is larger in Indian Ocean region, which is which has major trade routes, as we can see recently in Red Sea and other choke points, Malacca dilemma. There we see generally India has a prominence as compared to China. In other angles, in social angle, India is trying to be better uh, through different indicators. China has more money power, so it is trying to do best in all the possible ways as compared to India.
Okay, my last question. You won second prize in extempore competition in university.
Yes, sir.
Now suppose India is sending you to UN,
Yes, sir.
okay, and India wants you to represent for the permanent seat of United Nations Security Council.
Yes, sir.
So can you please stand up and address the United Nations Assembly?
Sir, now I had to do that.
You have 2 minutes.
Hello, United Nations members. I'm Kajal Chauhan, representing India. Today, I'm going to speak about your membership of India to the United Nations Security Council. As we can see, India is the largest democracy, and we are so proudly called as Mother of Democracy. So, as we can see, there are 5 permanent members in the United Nations Security Council, but there is no representation of the largest democracy in India. So, I'm here to stand up for that seat in the United Nations Security Council. Likewise, we have other neighbors like Africa, which is not represented, and other countries which are not represented yet. And there is a situation of changing world order. So we want that changing world order should be represented and multipolarity should be represented in the world level. So I want that India should be accepted as a chair of United Nations Security Council, as a member of United Nations Permanent Security Council. Thank you, sir. So may I sit?
Okay, Kaj. Comfortable?
Yes.
You like taking long walks. What is it about this that you like?
Ma'am, it is just my interest that I like to take long walks because I find it as an exercise of self introspection, which I generally do with my mother daily
Oh.
morning and evening.
Okay, what's the longest walk you've taken?
Ma'am, it is 2 to 3 kilometers.
You stay in Delhi?
Presently from 1 year.
From?
1 year.
Okay, so where do you walk in Delhi?
Ma'am, I live in Old Rajendra Nagar, so I usually walk near Sindhi Park.
Okay, so you use that time for introspection. So
Yes.
tell me one idea or thought that has stayed with you from one of those walks.
Ma'am, I usually think that when I walk, I will, if I become this, I will do this, I will do entrepreneurship, and I will be able to teach small childrens which are not able to afford this education or not able to come here in Delhi to pursue their dreams.
You mentioned about introspection. So one idea that you have about self.
About self, I just think that whatever things I do, whether they are in right direction or I have done something wrong, I have hurted someone or not, that is my self introspection.
Exactly. So one idea that has stayed with you that you arrived at during one of those walks.
Ma'am, I'm not able to understand that.
Okay. Any famous personality do you know who also likes to take a walk, or in history or in contemporary times?
Sorry, ma'am, I don't know.
There's a very famous book called The Philosophy of Walking.
Okay.
Immanuel Kant used to love walking.
Okay.
People used to time their watches according to his walk because he was so accurate. Moving forward, what is the biggest challenge you faced in your UPSC preparation?
Ma'am, earlier I thought I was not able to get guidance from someone, or I will not be able to come to Delhi for preparation due to my financial background. But through my scholarships and all, I have came till here and my family supported me. So I'm able to overcome that challenge.
Okay. Assume you were selected and
Yes, ma'am.
you have become an officer. How will you deal with your subordinate staff not listening to you or not following your orders because you are a woman?
Firstly, I will try to talk to them, deliberate and discuss with them. If they then also they don't follow, I will try to warn them once.
Will you
And-
take any action against them?
For the first time, I will not take. I will give two, 3 times warning. Then also they don't do that. Then I will definitely say them to means I can take action. Then.
Okay. There's a word in sociology, Wursten, German etymology.
Yes,
What does
ma'am.
it mean?
Worsten is in Indian context we talk it as empathetic. Means keeping yourself in the shoes of others and thinking as if we are there and thinking of their perspectives.
Okay. I want to ask you about the women reservation bill.
Yes, ma'am.
When will it be implemented? Has it become an act?
Yes, ma'am.
When will it be implemented?
Sorry, ma'am. It is said that it will be implemented in 2029 after delimitation exercise is done.
29.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. But what is the use of giving reservation? But in third tier, you mentioned that reservation is given to women. So we see the phenomena of Sarpanch Pati, or
Yes,
when
ma'am.
the seats are again, they go back to being general, those women are not re-elected. And there's a social grudge also that develops against them. So what is the purpose of giving reservation to women?
Ma'am, when it is reported that Sarpanch Pati phenomena is happening, government is working on the ground level to stop that phenomena from happening. As we are seeing at the ground level, women representation is increasing. More decision making is done at the ground level, and more empowerment of women is done. As if we will do at the level, national level, it will benefit more women empowerment, and women oriented policy making, compassionate
What do you mean by
approach in
women
policy making.
empowerment? Like when you said more women are empowered, but they fail to get re-elected. So how are they getting empowered?
Ma'am, we need to change the social mindset.
But you
for
were saying
that.
they are getting empowered. So what is changing? What has changed for them?
Ma'am, we are seeing at the ground level in panchayat more representation of women, and they are taking more decision. As I can see in my own village, more women are coming forward and claiming their rights for schemes and other employment opportunities, because the work is done for them, skilling is done for them, skilling institutes are opening for them through panchayats, because ground level on ground level work is being done
Have
because
you-
women are there.
Have you heard of Bilkis Bano case?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your take on that?
Ma'am, recent decision regarding that which Supreme Court gave, I think I am in favor of that, because rape is a crime against humanity and it should be punished strongly.
Okay.
Yes,
Thank
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Kajal. Your formal interview with us is over.
Thank you.
We'll just make a few observations which will, set you above the other candidates, so that you realize your dream. As you said, you'll make others realize their dreams. Now, 2, 3 from my side. One is the onion dilemma.
Yes.
You must read about it. It's basically just a regulation or a modulation of demand and supply. So as the demand goes up, as the prices go up, we tend to export. And when that happens, the prices again shoot up
Yes.
because there is shortage. So that's the dilemma government always faces, whether to go in for imports or exports, and at what ratio or what percentage. It's just and it mostly happens, in fact, only in Maharashtra. Then Karl Marx, being a student of
So may I
social,
write it somewhere if you permit me?
you can put it on. Yeah,
May I take this pen?
yeah. Take it.
So sorry.
It's okay. Yeah. So about Karl Marx, being a student of sociology, the board would expect you to put in very typical words. Use those words to bring forth the point. First is, you could have or you should have mentioned Das Kapita. That's the
Yes,
work
sir.
where he has put in his thoughts. Social conflict. It's
Yes,
not
sir.
it's not a gradual process of evolution. It's through conflict only.
Yes. Sir.
Okay. As you said, thesis, antithesis, synthesis. Then it is dialectic materialism. These are important words for a student of sociology to shore up its her reply. Then utopia also has to be used,
sir.
because that was the main word that was used against the philosophy of Karl Marx, that it is an utopia, so it will never be achieved. Utopia is never to be achieved. It's just something that you see or imagine or visualize, but not to be achieved. Then in foreign policy, I think you made a observation about national interest. Foreign policy is about national interest. Ever since its inception, it's only about national interest. There's nothing else that guides a foreign policy for any country, whether it was World War I, World War II, or whatever. Then you should have immediately rattled out at least 2 game changers.
Yes, sir.
So, Mr. Please just
Yes.
keep it in mind. Not that you didn't know it, but ideally you let the question sink in you. Let the question come to you. You formulate your answer. So I'm going to say this. Immediately you respond means you've done one and then you miss out on the next one. So it gives an impression as if you don't know.
Yes. sir.
Okay. Finally, last thing, Parliament assurance. Assurances, I suggest that you read through them.
Yes.
It is given not by the speaker. Speaker has no role in it. The minister in
Minister.
charge gives an assurance to a member, saying that I do not have the either there are 2 situations. Either he says I don't know at the moment, or he says that I will give you a reply at a later date. Both these situations leads to a assurance,
Yes.
which can be fulfilled by, there's a parliamentary committee on assurances which sees the responses that you give after a point of time and whether they are satisfied with this. So they may even reject it. So an assurance is given.
Yes. Sir.
Assurance lapses with the resolution of the parliament. Finally, last thing about your dress code. You must be thinking of wearing something more formal on the day of the interview.
Sir,
Yeah?
I will wear blazer.
Yeah.
I will not wear sari because I'm not able to.
Oh, no, that's all right.
handle
That's all right. It's all right. I mean, I just thought that I mentioned to you. This is a bit too casual for a
Yes, sir.
formal occasion like the interview. Okay. ठीक है. That's about all. You're a good candidate.
Kajal, इंटरव्यू बोर्ड को ये बात पता होगा कि आप अभी फ्रेशर हो और आप अभी पहली बार जा रहे हो, सो टू मच स्माइलिंग और टू मच ओवर एंथुजियाज्म इज हार्मफुल इन दैट केस। जब भी इस तरह के कैंडिडेट आते हैं तो उनसे बहुत जनरल क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं। उन्हें पता है कि अभी आप फ्रेशर हो, अभी आप पहली बार है, जैसे आप बहुत देर तक आप बात करते रहे तो आपके बाल आपके चश्मे पे रहे,
Yes,
आप चाहें तो आप थोड़ा सा आप एक ब्रेक मांग के आप उसको ठीक कर सकते हैं। तो इंटरव्यू प्रॉपर्ली टाइट होना चाहिए। दूसरा, आपके हैंड मूवमेंट बहुत ज़्यादा थे।
yes, sir.
पहले हाथ से आप बताने को, फिर आपने क्रॉस फिंगर्स कर लिए लास्ट में, ये दोनों ठीक नहीं है। तीसरी चीज, डैफ की स्टार्टिंग आपके नाम के साथ होती है। तो इंटरव्यू में बेसिक जब इस तरह के कैंडिडेट आते हैं जिनकी एज बहुत कम होती है, तो हम भी उनके लिए एक या कोई भी इंटरव्यू बोर्ड होता है उनके साथ एक रहता है कि उनसे बहुत जनरल क्वेश्चन पूछे जाए, जैसे नाम को लेकर कि 3 कौन से गाने जिसमें आपका नाम है, या आपके नाम का उल्टा क्या हो सकता है,
Yes.
सिनोनिम्स क्या हो सकता है। तो ये हमें देने की जरूरत है। दूसरा, मैंने ऑब्जर्व किया है कि आपने सिचुएशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चन की डेप्थ में आप नहीं गए। जैसे मैंने पूछा कि अगर आपके ऊपर एक जेंडर के लिए बायस होने का अलग है, तो आपको बेसिकली टू स्पेसिफिक वहाँ एक आध पॉइंट में होना चाहिए था कि हम उन्हें बता सकते हैं कि फीमेल कैसे सोशलिज्म, जैसे आप सोशलिज्म पढ़ा होगा, एक फीमेल जो होती है वो पावर हाउस होती है घर की। कहते हैं ना कि अगर आपने एक फीमेल को लिटरेट कर दिया तो आपने पूरी फैमिली को लिटरेट कर दिया। सो आपको उन्हें बताना है कि इसका जो बेनिफिट है, आपका बेनिफिट आपका पर्सनल बेनिफिट है, लेकिन हम एक फीमेल को एम्पावर करते हैं, बेनिफिट करते हैं, तो उससे पूरी फैमिली को, उसके बच्चे को बेनिफिट होता है। तो आपको इसमें बहुत स्पेसिफिक रहने की जरूरत है।
Yes, yes, sir.
तीसरी चीज मैंने जो देखी है, एंथुजियाज्म में आप थोड़ा सा पॉज लेकर आंसर देने की कोशिश करो। जैसे मैंने पूछा कि नाग पंचमी का उल्टा क्या होगा,
नहीं बोलना चाहिए था, वो सब मैंने बोल दिया, मुझे
ठीक है,
लगा.
वो सिचुएशन पे मैंने क्वेश्चन ही रखा था कि आप बहुत फ्लो में बोलते जा रहे हो और सडनली मैंने वो क्वेश्चन इसीलिए दे दिया। तो आपके हिसाब से उसका जवाब क्या होना चाहिए?
Sorry, sir, I don't know. ऐसे
थोड़ा
होना
सा
चाहिए
सोचो।
था.
मैंने पूछा नाग पंचमी,
क्या?
तो आप उसको बोलो नाग, डोंट पंच मी।
अच्छा.
नाग इज अ नेम, इट्स नॉट
हो
अबाउट
सकता है.
एक सिंपल सा प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड। हम देखें, मैंने पूछा आप किस कार से, ऑटो से आए, तो चूंकि ये फीमेल के सेफ्टी से भी जुड़ा हुआ है, आपने देखा होगा हम कोई ऐप बुक करते हैं तो हम अपने रिलेटिव्स को लोकेशन, नंबर, ये सब भेजते हैं। तो आपको ना कहने की वजह, बिकॉज ये जनरल सेंस का क्वेश्चन है। तो आप कोई भी एक ऐसा नंबर जो आपके बर्थडे से मिला, आपको पता है आप दिल्ली में हो, नोएडा में हो, तो यहाँ पर या तो यूपी का नंबर होगा या डीएल का नंबर होगा, यही परमिट होता है। ये लॉजिक सा क्वेश्चन है कि आपने लॉजिक कितना यूज किया, आप इस स्टेट में हो। फिर आप कोई भी एक नंबर, मैं तो उसको चेक नहीं करने जा रहा हूँ, बस आपको, चाहे आपके बर्थडे से रिलेटेड है, तो क्वेश्चन आपने कैसे याद किया भाई, वो या तो इंडिया फ्रीडम हुआ था 1947 उसका नंबर था, या मेरा बर्थडे था इसलिए मुझे याद है उसको। तो सिंपल ये एक जनरल अवेयरनेस की चीज होती है, जहाँ पे ये देखा जाता है कि कैंडिडेट फैक्चुअल नॉलेज के साथ साथ प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड रखता है कि नहीं रखता है, विच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। अप टू यू।
So, Kajal, firstly, when you're coming, say good morning to everyone. Don't just nod to everyone. Say good morning. Good morning. If you're saying good morning, so good morning, ma'am, you should say hello, right?
Okay, sir.
The hand gesture, sir has pointed out. And most important thing is let the board finish the question first. When sir was asking, you just answered without even, split second. So let him finish the question, listen to it, then answer. Okay? It's not a rat race that you have to just be the first one to answer the question or something. Apart from that, when something is asked, when you have to explain it, take your time. Okay? Have 2-3 good points and tell them in a very normal way, not so excited about it. Like first point you are saying in first 10 seconds, then you are thinking and you are saying something else which is not even relevant. For example, in the China question, I was asking why India is not able to count the people. So you have to just answer that. You don't have to tell that this is this, this is this. You don't have to beat around the bush, right? And prepare the youth parliament thing, because there are many things which are happening related to youth. For example, there is a My Bharat app which is currently coming for youth. It's a game changer. Okay, and the main thing is that you have to be very calm. Listen the question, take your time, then answer. Otherwise, you are answering well, but the manner in which you are answering has to be a little changed. Otherwise, you are good.
Yes.
Kajal, congratulations for making it till here on your first attempt. So you do have knowledge, you have worked hard, and you're wee bit nervous. I can see it. So you're shaking your leg. Your hands
Sorry
were
for
also, no, that's fine. It happens. So calm yourself. Take a pause of 10 seconds after you hear the question. Frame an answer, and then it shouldn't look like that you're very excited to answer. Like, ye pata hai mujhe, ye pata hai, ye pata hai. And then when you don't know, then you take a pause. So calm. And when you will take a pause, what will happen is that you will stop beating around the bush. What is happening? You're thinking and talking simultaneously. So it takes you a minute to come to the point. So just stay calm. You're a very good candidate, and I hope you make it. So just calm.
And one more thing, when, for example, I asked you to address the UN Assembly, you can ask for time also if you want. And you could have, you only said one point in those 2 minutes, and that was India is mother of democracy. There was no concrete second or third point. So that is what I am saying. When you will take a pause, you will take time, you will be able to put forward the concrete point. Okay.
Yes.
So keep that.
So I will work on it.
All the best.
Okay.
All the best.
Very
Thank
good
you
luck
so
to
much.
you. Kaji?
हाय, क्या आप भी आईएएस की तैयारी करना चाहते हैं? क्या आप पीसीएस की तैयारी करना चाहते हैं? बहुत दिनों से आप स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं, लेकिन इसके बावजूद भी आपको सफलता नहीं मिली। भागदौड़ करने के बावजूद भी आपको कोई सॉल्यूशन नहीं मिल रहा। सिर्फ आपका टेंशन बढ़ रहा है, आपका पेशेंस जवाब दे रहा है। इसी टेंशन को दूर करने और आपकी हर एक समस्या का समाधान लेकर आए हम, यानी ओजांग गुरुकुल कैंपस। यहाँ हम आपको सिखाएंगे आईएएस और पीसीएस जैसे एग्जाम की तैयारी कैसे आसान तरीके से की जाती है, कैसे डिसिप्लिन फॉलो किया जाता है, कैसे अनुशासन रखा जाता है। अगर आप भी चाहते हैं हम आईएएस और पीसीएस बने और अपनी जिंदगी के सारे सपने पूरे करें, तो अभी ज्वाइन करें ओजांग गुरुकुल कैंपस। बिकॉज when we support the word selfless, the whole universe will support you endlessly.